The Jamaica International Kite Festival goes under the registered name, they're saying An Kite Festival Limited. First started in 2005, we are now in our 18th renewal. For the past 3 years, there was no Kite Festival because of the whole COVID-19 pandemic business, but we are back here, Grizzlies Entertainment Center.
I saw it on social media, so I decided to take my son because we don't have much to do in town, so I decided to give him the drive so he can enjoy the kite and outdoor. He loves outdoor stuff.
It's just a beautiful thing for family. Come in unity, you know? So I was here the first year and we came in second place. We should have came in first, but it was a cute little girl. We lost to a cute little girl, so we had to come back and do it again. This year we got some giant beasts over there. They're like octopuses that float in the air. So it looks like it's taking over the world. The most fun thing about this event is the people and the kindness and the generosity and the funness. It just gives you a moment in time just to feel free without thinking about any troubles.
I'm Paul Alexander, and this is
Midori
and Noah and Zion. Zion, how old are you?
8.
And then Noah is 2, almost 3. I was living in Japan for 10 years and I just came back in December. We soon go launch our kites and have some fun in the festival.
We're here in 2018 and we decided to come back this year and just be a part of a family experience. The last time business was good. It was a better crowd than we have now at this time of the day. We had a number of kite festivals happening this holiday weekend. So I guess maybe some of the parents, maybe would have took the kids to some of those already and back to school is coming. So, but it's not bad, it's ticking over.
What's the most popular item you're selling today?
Eagle kites.
How much are those?
It's $700. It looks like a bird. And there is one flying in the sky right now across here. That's one of our kites. And so it has this effect of mimicking a bird. And the kids are fascinated with them. And this is an idea I got from the last time I was here. The kites were just too conventional in terms of their appearance. So I went out to find kites that were a bit different. And so far we have been well received. I sold maybe over 20, maybe 25 kites in just over the last 2 hours.
The Jamaica International Kite Festival is the mother of all kite festivals anywhere in Jamaica. We have had maximum crowds of up to 10,000 on any given year. On a bad year, we might go down to as low as 3,000 or 4,000. We have people from all walks of life, tourists flying down just for the event. Firstinline.ja.com, that's where you get tickets, pre-sold, of course. You're gonna come here. There's a separate cost of 3,000 if you come and buy here, and kids 2,005. It's Easter Monday every year.